West winds 10 to 15 knots, becoming northwest 15 to 20 knots in the late morning and afternoon. Gusts up to 25 knots. Sea is 2 to 3 feet. And for Monday night, northwest winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 25 knots per minute.
Areas in New York: Northwest Suffolk, Southwest Suffolk, Northeast Suffolk, and Southeast Suffolk, and the following areas in Connecticut: Southern New Haven, Southern Middlesex, Southern New London, and Northern New London. Winter storm warning in effect until 7 a.m. Monday. The National Weather Service in New York has issued a winter storm warning for heavy snow, which is in effect until 7 a.m. Monday. The winter weather advisory is no longer in effect. Locations: much of southeast Connecticut and central and eastern Long Island. Hazard types: snow, briefly mixing with or changing to freezing rain across Long Island this evening. Accumulations: snow accumulation of 4 to 7 inches. Ice accumulation of a glaze to 1/10 of an inch of ice in Suffolk County. Visibilities: 1/4 to 1/2 mile at times. Temperatures: upper 20s. Timing: snow will be moderate to locally heavy at times into this evening. Impacts: hazardous travel due to snow-covered surfaces. Winds west 5 to 10 miles per hour. A winter storm warning for heavy snow means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Significant amounts of snow are forecast that will make travel dangerous. Only travel in an emergency. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency.
The coastal waters forecast.